the glory of the win is theirs. All their hard work has led to this moment. They earned it. They deserve it. The atmosphere is electric and the crowd goes wild. But what of the unsung heroes? The ones off the pitch and out of the spotlight. These are the doers, the enablers, the champion makers. They too are responsible for the win. They track and measure. They gather real-time data. They analyze it. They make optimizations and minimize risks, allowing them to prepare and execute their on-field strategies. They blend cutting-edge technology with human expertise. They ensure safety, precision, speed, and adaptability. Sometimes even in the harshest, most high-pressure conditions. So to the team behind the team, the ones who get the job done, we share your drive for impact and commitment to continuous improvement, and we're here to help. To uncover the data-driven insights that will dictate your on-field strategies. To provide the connections that ensure the team is greater than the sum of its parts. And to protect your organization from unwanted incursions. There has never been a better time to craft the perfect game plan. If you act now, you can do this in a workshop with our experienced performance experts by your side. To highlight strengths and weaknesses, how you compare with your competitors, and to give you a starting point for change with clarity on your maturity and next steps in your modernization. So when your performance peaks, your volume and quality is up, your downtime is non-existent, your team and customers are happy, you too can rejoice in the win.